Welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Chainlink, followed by Toncoin, Cosmos Hub, Leo Token, Ethereum Classic, Monero, OKB, Bitcoin Cash, and then we're going to end it with Stellar Lumens at number... no, we're going to stop it at Filecoin. Filecoin at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Link against BTC. Yes, sir. So Link is in a falling channel. We are hoping that this is going to be a wave 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. We're out. We're still sort of within the confines of the falling channel. So is this going to be a 3-wave move down and then we break out, or is this going to be a 5-wave move down? If this is a 5-wave move down, we are probably going to get a much deeper type of a 5th wave. It's not going to be a short one. So we're still not entirely sure. We are still not entirely sure. So yeah, but for Chainlink against USDT, we still have downside targets, and we are still expecting Chainlink to hit towards our targets at 385 and 347. It's just not really looking that good at the moment. We're kind of finding some resistance at the skinny pink line. Does this mean we cannot rally from here? Nope. Could we still rally? Yep. Could we still rally? Take out the highs over here, right? And after that, we come back down. Of course, we still have these targets, right? I mean, of course, once we take out this target, we will invalidate it, and if we return, we will have different targets at that point of time, right? So yeah, I'm still bias bearish for Chainlink against USDT at this point of time, right? We kind of completed the descending triangle over here. Took us about 400 days. It's already been how many days? 200 or almost 300 days. So if anything, I would anticipate again more downside. We should be completing this before 400 days is over. So within, like, my guess is within 1-2 months, right? I'm not so sure if it's going to happen in April or May, you know, but I still feel that the direction is down for Chainlink against USDT. I don't think Chainlink is done yet, so yeah, there you go. Toncoin, Ton against BTC. On CoinX, Ton is almost at the skinny pink line. Are we, again, just like Chainlink, are we in a falling channel here? Could we break higher? Not too sure. Ton USDT, we still have upside targets for Ton. We are not done yet. The target is at $3 and then 346. So a breakout is anticipated for Toncoin against USDT. I just don't think we're done yet. And we have been in a consolidation for a very long time, right? Even when it was here, we were like, this is looking suspiciously similar to a symmetrical triangle. Yeah, and this symmetrical triangle has been in consolidation. For how long has it been? 98 days. Are we gonna continue consolidating beyond 100 days? Probably. So yeah, $3 and yeah, 346. These are the two targets that we have for Ton against USDT. Cosmos, Atom against BTC. Here we are for Atom. Atom is falling back down. Again, Atom is in a very long consolidation. We have been moving sideways for a very long time. We've already crossed back under the skinny pink line, and we crossed it with proper volatility. We're gonna take out these lows. I'm not too sure. Yeah, again, we're not too sure though. Atom against BTC is just too all over the place for us, right? Atom against USDT. We're wondering whether if this is going to become symmetrical, maybe A, B, C, D, E. We break higher, or are we gonna, you know, come back down here, right? Maybe form a descending, continue lower. Again, in terms of tradability, Atom is just not, the whales of Atom are just, you know, they're just not giving us anything, so tread carefully. Leo against BTC. We have already hit targets. 1250. We've had this since, where was this? We've had this since, let me just click here. 18th of January. It's already 22nd of March, so it's already been 2 freaking months that Leo against BTC has been dropping. We're under the skinny pink line though, so we still remain bias bearish for Leo against BTC, and we'll be anticipating more downsides for Leo BTC, so be careful about going to a trade too soon towards the long side. Leo against USD, we are yeah, slowly crawling our way down. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? Nope. More downside? Potentially. Tradable? Nope. So this is a next. EDC against BTC. Here we are, ADC, BDC. Are we going to get an ABCD? That's what we're expecting. And then we break out from here. Or are we going to get mountain ranges? And then we head lower, this whole thing could become a descending triangle for Ethereum Classic against BTC. So you need to be very, very careful about, you know, rushing into a trade. We are hopeful that this becomes a symmetrical triangle and we continue higher. That's the hope, right? But yeah, anything can happen. As long as BTC doesn't collapse, then yep, the potential remains. But if BTC falls, then yeah, I think Ethereum Classic is going to fall as well. Against USDT, Ethereum Classic, we're also expecting a symmetrical triangle to complete and break out towards the upside. But of course, symmetrical triangles are bidirectional and they could break down as well. So yeah, you need to be very, very careful about rushing to anything, right? We might be consolidating, accumulating a little bit longer, right? Like over here, before we broke out, right? We were consolidating, accumulating for a very long time before a super duper spike came in for Ethereum Classic. So the same thing could be happening over here before we see a super duper spike for Ethereum Classic. Monero against BTC. Here we are. Monero is just falling lower. We've already broken the skinny pink line and we're out. So yeah, Monero is in a downtrend at the moment. So the question we have is, will we get an accumulation zone here? Will we get lower highs, a series of lower highs, or will we get, you know, also higher lows over here? Yes, no, not too sure, but not too sure. We're hopeful that things could, you know, start bouncing eventually, right? And another thing about Monero is that when it falls very fast, very, very fast. And I would expect this fall to honestly be shorter than this fall. So essentially, a wave C in the making. Monero against USDT. Here we are. Again, I would still anticipate more downside for Monero against USDT. I don't think we're done yet. This looks to me like a rising channel. So maybe more downside for Monero against USDT. Yep. Of course, we could also break higher for sure. But I'm highly suspicious of these clusters of stop sells, right? If you were to lengthen this, yeah, it's a support line. So we might still head lower for Monero against USDT. It's just not too clear in terms of tradability. OKB against BTC. Yeah, we've started falling against BTC. We never had a really true proper correction for OKB against BTC. Not yet. So I think we are seeing a proper correction right now. Again, we still have our 33,000 target. We still expect it to eventually reverse back to 33,000, but yeah, not at this point of time. OKB against USDT. Yeah, so here we are for OKB USDT. We still have our $75 target. We still expect $75 to be hit. We're in some sort of a consolidation. Could we go deeper? Sure. Could we just back out from here? Of course. Any clear tradable chart patterns for OKB? Nope. But our target of $75 remains. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are for Bitcoin Cash. We've hit target number 1. We've had this target since, when was this? 15th of February. Hey, happy Valentine's Day. So it's been about 1 month. We've had the target. We also have another target over here at 400. We're at 470. Could we still continue lower to 400? Sure. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? No. Bitcoin Cash has been a downer. Down ever since 2017 to 2018 to 2019 to 2020 to 2021, 2022. Now we're already in 2023 and we still continue falling lower for Bitcoin Cash against BTC, which means that your money would have gone further if you were to be in Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash against USDT. Yeah, we're also hopeful that we'll get something like this, right? A symmetrical triangle. That would be the best. But again, we still don't see it yet. You can also consider this as a potential inverse head and shoulders that we could be breaking out from. Again, we're still not entirely sure. So yeah, you gotta be very, very careful. You know, the quality of the chart pattern just isn't there yet, right? But usually when a bear trend ends, we go sideways for a while before going back up. So this is kind of the sideways move. The only question we have is how much longer will we be going sideways? Are we halfway there? Are we only 1/3 of the way there? How much longer? How much longer? That's the question we want an answer to. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Yes, sir. XRP has been spiking, and Stellar Lumens is kind of spiking as well. But again, we still have our 293 target. We're at 339. We're still adamant at this point of time that 293 will be hit. At this point of time, right? Things can always change, but at this point of time, yeah, we're still on course towards 293. I suspect that once we hit 293, we could be taking out these lows as well. So, yeah, still feels like there's more downside for Stellar Lumens against BTC. Against USD, yeah, we still have another target over here. It's at 0.077 cents. We're at 9.56 cents. We actually crossed to 99, almost 10 cents. But it didn't happen, and yeah, this feels to me like a, again, rising channel. So we could also be heading lower for Stellar Lumens against USDT. Again, I'm just not too sure about Stellar Lumens, you know. It just really isn't that clear. I still suspect that we're going to take out these lows over here. And Stellar Lumens could still drop to 5 cents potentially. We're at 9 cents right now, so 9 cents to 5 cents is quite a lot. It's about, yeah, it's about 40%. So more downside for Stellar Lumens, yeah, potentially more downside. So yeah, because we're still under the skinny pink line and the trend is still bearish, so yeah, we respect the skinny pink line. If the trend is still bearish and we're still under it, then we will still remain biased bearish for Stellar Lumens. Filecoin against BTC. Here we are for Filecoin. Filecoin is in maybe again accumulation. BTC is just not doing well. We're falling lower. Any clear signs of a reversal? No reversals. Filecoin against USDT. Hori, yeah, potentially inverse head and shoulders. We could also head back down for an ABCDE. Again, it's still not too clear for us at this point of time. We still need more information for Filecoin first before making a decision. So we might have to wait a little bit longer for Filecoin. It's just, you know, we're already knocking at a skinny pink line. So my guess is it won't be long before we break the skinny pink line for Filecoin. So until that happens, yeah, we're going to be very, very cautious about rushing into a trade too soon. All right, I guess that's it for today's top 30 cryptocurrencies by Market Cap Technical Analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!